Every person wants to have a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we are informing you about superfoods. Apple is one of the superfoods. Now, listen, watch or read about 10 health benefits of apples. Apples are a very common fruit in almost all households all over the world. We all eat apples, but do we really know the benefits they have for our health? Today we are investigating why apples are so popular and what are their benefits. Even more importantly, we'll focus on why we should make apple juice and share it as one of our favorite juice recipes. We all know that eating fruits and vegetables is good for you, but if you take a closer look at the benefits of each, you will be truly amazed. When you know the nutritional value your body receives from each fruit and vegetable, you can customize your diet to improve your health, prevent disease, and provide your body with vitality. Apples provide strength to our bodies to fight off for several diseases as they are rich in complex antioxidants that are essential for their prevention. Eating apples in a diet, it can help maintain your ideal weight or lose weight, improve lung function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. And what's the best way to eat apples every day? By drinking a fresh juice. Now, we are going to inform you about the benefits of apples. Although there are lots of benefits, we will concentrate only on 10 main health benefits of apples. The 10 health benefits of apples. 1. Weight control and management. Apples are a source of natural fiber. The fiber in apple is a complex natural fiber, which means our body takes longer to digest it and fills us up for longer. An apple is ideal as a snack for those who want to lose weight because it satisfies the appetite and has a naturally sweet taste. Green apples are the best fruit to add to your cold-pressed juice, or use a juicer for fresh juice, if you want to add a little sweetness to your vegetable juice. 2. Reduced risk of diabetes. Glucose is the main source of energy for our body and it is vital for our survival. Insulin is needed to control glucose levels in the body. Insulin is produced in the pancreas and acts as a messenger to instruct the body to absorb glucose, thereby lowering the level of glucose in the blood and maintaining a healthy level. Having diabetes means your body cannot make enough insulin. Apples help regulate blood sugar levels in 3 ways. 1. Decrease the absorption of glucose in the digestive tract. 2. Stimulate beta cells in the pancreas to secrete insulin. 3. Increase the acquisition, redistribution of glucose in the blood by stimulating insulin receptors. Women are more receptive in this regard. Studies suggest that women who take an apple a day can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 28%. While most fruits can cause spikes in blood sugar in diabetics, cold-pressed apple juice has the opposite effect. This is due to the high amount of fiber in apples, which slows absorption and lowers blood sugar levels. Cookosum has always recommended green apples as the first choice for a sweet touch to any cold-pressed juice. 3. Diarrhea and constipation. In general, an adult needs about 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day to maintain good digestion and consistent bowel movements. We need to make sure that our body is getting the right amount of fiber every day in order to have normal digestion, without consuming too much or too little, as this could cause diarrhea or constipation. It is also important to make sure that you are getting enough fluids to help the fiber move through our bodies. Drinking fresh apple juice is the best way to provide the body with direct access to fiber in liquid form, which will be absorbed much faster than if we eat apples. Apple juice can also be used as a mild laxative. We recommend unpeeled apples because the skin contains more fiber. 4. Reduce the risk of stroke, cerebral vascular accident. A study published in the journal Stroke proved that eating 200 grams of white flesh fruit, or 2 small apples, can reduce the risk of stroke by almost a third. For each 25 grams of white fruit consumed daily, the risk of stroke is reduced by 9%. An apple is usually around 100 grams, so it can reduce the risk by 36%. Why white flesh fruits? White fleshed fruits like apples, bananas, cucumbers, and pears contain an antioxidant called quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to the stiffness of the arteries, which can cause blood clots to form and limit blood flow to the brain, leading to stroke. 5 apples can calm Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease in its simplest form is the buildup of a protein called beta amyloid in the brain, which gets mixed with nerve cells in the brain, and eventually causes cognitive dysfunction and neuronal degeneration. Dr. Shea of the University of Massachusetts has done studies that show that apple juice helps improve memory because it prevents the reduction of a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine that transmits messages from nerve cells. These elements are essential for the health of our memory and brain function. Apples also help with behavioral symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. The study conducted by Dr. Shea found a 27% improvement in symptoms such as depression and mood in people who drank apple juice every day. According to Dr. Shea, 2 glasses of apple juice a day have been shown to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. 6 apples for heart health. Apples contain phytonutrients or phytochemicals that act as antioxidants against low-density lipoproteins, which are bad cholesterol. Apples are high in fiber and, in particular, a type of soluble fiber called pectin, which blocks the absorption of cholesterol in the stomach and stimulates the body to use cholesterol instead of storing it, which can cause cholesterol and heart disease. Obviously, there are many factors that contribute to good heart health, and one of the most important is getting regular exercise. Drinking apple juice is one of the best ways to eat enough of the recommended fruits and vegetables per day. And what is even better? Drinking fresh apple juice daily provides positive results in no time. 7 apples reduce the risk of cancer. Antioxidants are chemicals that occur naturally in our body, and they are also dependent on diet and lifestyle. Antioxidants interact and rebalance free radicals in our body, which interfere with cells and cause cancer. Antioxidants are found in a variety of fruits and vegetables. Apples contain a type of antioxidant called flavonoids. There have been many studies that conclude that apples are beneficial in preventing cancer. Eating 2-3 apples a day is not easy, but there is nothing easier than drinking a glass of apple juice daily, which can contain 3-4 apples at a time. We again recommend that you leave the skin of the apple, which contains 5 times more flavonoids and polyphenols, another type of antioxidant, than the inside of the fruit. 8. Strengthen the food system. Apples are rich in vitamin C and vitamin B, which help strengthen the immune system and are the best protection against colds or the flu. They also contain quercetin, which strengthens the immune system in the long run. Including apples in your daily diet will help your immune system stay strong and act as a barrier to serious illness in the long term. 9. Detoxify the liver. The liver is responsible for cleaning toxins from our body. Apples contain a flavonoid called fluorazidin, which helps the liver make bile, which is directly responsible for expelling toxins from the body. Most diets or liver detoxification will use apples and especially apple juice as the main ingredient. By facilitating cleansing of the liver, it helps our body rid itself of potentially harmful toxins. Green apples are particularly rich in malic acid, which helps cleanse and detoxify the liver. 10 apples for healthy white teeth. Traditionally, apples have become known as the natural toothbrush. Chewing stimulates and increases the production of saliva, which helps eliminate impurities and bacteria. Saliva also decreases the acidity in the mouth caused by sugary drinks or acidic foods, which can lead to cavities and encourage other bacteria. Protecting our gums is the best we can do in terms of oral health. Many people lose their teeth every day mainly because of gum-related diseases, such as gingivitis. Eating apples every day is highly recommended to have a good level of vitamin C that stimulate the gums and prevent these diseases. Now, we are going to present 3 ways to make apple juice daily. You check and choose that looks convenient to you. But never forget to drink apple juice daily. Our favorite cold-pressed apple juice recipe. You can prepare this recipe with any branded juicer machine or juice extractors. 6 green apples. 1 piece of ginger. A slice of lemon. 1 pinch of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of honey. Combine the honey and cinnamon and place them in the juicer hopper as you squeeze the apples and ginger. This juice is delicious and very sweet, and can even be served as a dessert. The combination of lemon, ginger, and apple makes this juice a purifier for the body and aids digestion. Don't forget to leave the skin on the apple, ginger, and lemon. Most of the antioxidants and fibers are found in the skin. Keep watching Cook Awesome videos daily on YouTube. You can also log in at www.cookawesome.com for recipes and articles on health-related. Cook Awesome and stay healthy. Please check the YouTube link and website link for all 3 ways to make apple juice daily. How to make apple juice. See you on the next video.
Wow, this is awesome.